concerning Ofankor-Nsawam Road no.
Are you a fan to your page your man share no president call no?
Aye, man penny call no. Man, I say only information, only facts.
Osho kwaba.
But I will be so surprised say a former roads and highways minister who to me my know the contract summer a year $346.4 million. Who to me my know besia or minor quadri affairs in bank and a year $200 million and no more de be project no I could do baby because ain't to me we yatias according to you sa 200 million no asa ebini ho enti my yatias say initial agreement they said they call you know out of $346 million no 200 million here they say you bet we project I could be say 70%. Now you this 146 million now e be free buying budget ho no e dia to so could do 100%.
That percentage was a tobo.
Ya to ye bo kwoti den.
Krata ni nanim.
Enana ni bato hu contract sam na ka kire yen. What dia to almost 13 hours ago. Want to me and pay contract no and ready ama ye information ye bisa say $200 million na asano sa de na ka wose aban budget mu 146 million no ahina wo ban no e de to aso a o senya me na me sign contract intaje me kofa contract no
enti woni ne nya adwene se ogibere ko hwe krata no
de wo gibere ben o man nya na sign krata no you now sign contract but one contract some yen 1 year ya say $200 million no sasika no asan you see sometimes ye na lower bar no let's be truthful to them because someone by now an issue a ministry I wanna what say na medical position e ho asem aba ense wo mkwan yen na ye beka ho asem by now we were everything off header ye bisa ye no ano out of 146 na nka wo say Ghana ban de ka ho no yen ye de say na ka ho say na ka wachira enka wo sa ban no epede ba ye bisa we ya contract na manim entu beka ho asem ye den uni fact obekasa ye den
or the clarification ba say
clarification no ye de wen
sika no na say ye adwuma ko duru baby
him baby or no person che say 200 million no as at the time o mu free so no na o ma ye adwuma na do say but the question is 68 na wo ka no and no dey any the initial expectation na $200 million no ebe ye adwuma na ko duru na
no problem until by the close of day also the breakdown
man we don't even need him so obesa time because that information or the baby or wa enka wa send no post or ye or including nyina 200 million na ye hwe say bedu percentage we ye dey dru ye abai 146 ye dey 100 million and e ba ye intina ka 46 we kira abai fufure de be ka ho we need fact we need information and what they acquire to Facebook na mo ka so mo try to trust elephant trust our man
ye nyene say biem
they shouldn't lower the bar to this extent a home minister and our ministry honum and our opposition ye bisa we ya mini contract in the banim ye bisa we ya mini contract da manim
I said the one so say ni
serious
na ni nuanom so ka ho
ni nua ben
finance minister ne road minister ne
o man no ye handing over note a wo di jay but ye bisa wo say during wo ten ade na wo ye the one handing over note ma aban ka che no you should be able to tell us
daily guide say ne anope we nim ho what say
o man ka che Asenso-Boakye say oni information a issue ba man nkasa
se oni ho akade na
oni ho akade ni amane a wo de brain a asebo nkana no ntum na kamampani kan ye wa ma ye fact quote amount figures what they are to say dia me woni o mampani o so mo form de mra
daily guide any more what say
I'm so disappointed
me pay breakfast amount of pay daily guide